So I have my urban planning hat on. There's some serious flooding going on our way back to Ho Chi Minh from the beach. And all the cars, we thought it was an accident, but it's just a serious flooding problem that's happening. And one thing I remember from my graduate program in New Orleans, which is infamous for having flood problems because the city is below sea level, is that you see this side of the road is virtually empty. Resilience, I had a job working with the Office of Resilience Strategies, and this road we would open up to go in our direction. You see jam-packed, this side is jam-packed with cars, this side is empty. So they would open up this side and allow at least one of the lanes to be open for us to go in this direction, and that would help to alleviate the traffic. Further back, before we came across this, I didn't know, I saw them redirecting a lot of the cars and allowing the motorbikes through, and then we came to another junction where they were attempting to do the same thing, but those cars were too far ahead to be redirected, and they just kind of persisted and made their way onward, and the street can't handle that amount of traffic. So yeah, so first and foremost is the drainage problem here. Clearly people are trapped in their homes right now. It's been raining all day, and this is, which province is this? What's the province? Okay, Buntao. Oh yeah, I've heard of it. Yeah, so wow. And if I've had personal experience of trying to go through a certain level of water with my SUV, and I messed up my car and had to take it to the mechanic to get it repaired. So there's the motorbikes. Oh my gosh, wow. Look at the cars. Oh yeah, definitely. Go this way. We gotta now move to the right. All the cars moving to the right because the flood has made its way down to that side. So yeah, that was the mystery solved. Yeah. It's been raining all day.
I see.
Oh, it's the first time you've ever seen that? Yeah. It probably hasn't rained that much before. Or maybe it's something with the drainage. Yeah, look. City planning right here, city planning. Woo! Woo! Look at that.
Wow. Many memories.
Yeah.
Today, many memories.
Okay. Now we're all good. Yes. Okay. Wow. Well, yeah. So